Where is it? Whoa, look it. Uh-oh. A baby chick. Libby, look it. Look right here. He left little paw prints. Look at his paw prints. And look it. Here's a piece of his fur and his tail. He hopped on the table. What are those? What are those? Darth Vader gloves. What else? Ooh, that's a big egg. A Mickey. Oh, Spider-Man. Did you see your buddy? Look at a Mickey bunny. Look at those eggs. They're bugs. Louie, look it. Here's part of his tail. Feel it. Soft. Look. Part of the tail. Feel it. Feel it. Oh, that's part of the Easter Bunny tail. Yeah, he dropped it when he hopped up on the table. What else is in your basket? Look at this is a bubble machine. You put bubbles in it and you squeeze it and it look it blows out bubbles. A dinosaur toothbrush. A Mickey shirt. It's a Mickey shirt. Oh, jelly beans. What is that? Easter bunny poop. Ew. And Peeps. Yeah, it's a baby chick. And bunnies, that's chocolate. Ooh, and jellies. Don't forget your toothpaste. You got bubblegum toothpaste. Do you like all your stuff? And look at chalk. You could write outside on the do it. Louie!
How are your gloves?
Why are you screaming? Look at those tears. You don't want it to be over? Aww.